Today, I am excited to take you on a journey through one of Croatia's most enchanting and picturesque towns, Rovinj. Nestled along the stunning Adriatic coast, Rovinj is a city that seamlessly blends rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural beauty. Over the next few minutes, we will explore its fascinating origins, architectural marvels, cultural traditions, natural landscapes, and the modern-day life that makes Rovinj a must-visit destination. Let's begin with the historical background of Rovinj. The city's roots trace back over 2,000 years. Originally, it was inhabited by the Illyrians, an ancient people who settled along the coast. Later, during the Roman Empire, Rovinj was known as Colonia Aelia Parentium, a significant port and trading hub. The strategic location on the Istrian peninsula made it a vital center for commerce and navigation throughout antiquity. As centuries passed, Rovinj experienced various influences: Byzantine, Frankish, Venetian, and Austro-Hungarian, each leaving their mark on the city's culture and architecture. One of the most distinctive features of Rovinj is its well-preserved medieval old town, which is a true labyrinth of narrow, winding streets, cobblestone alleys, and charming piazzas. Walking through these streets feels like stepping back in time. The old town is built on a small peninsula that juts into the Adriatic, giving visitors panoramic views of the sea and surrounding islands. The architecture here reflects a blend of Venetian Gothic, Baroque, and Renaissance styles, showcasing the city's historical connections with Venice and Italy. At the heart of Rovinj's old town stands the iconic St. Euphemia's Basilica, an architectural masterpiece and the city's most recognizable landmark. This Baroque church, built in the 18th century, is dedicated to the city's patron saint. Its towering bell tower offers stunning vistas of Rovinj and the Adriatic Sea. Inside, visitors can admire beautiful altars, religious artworks, and a relic of St. Euphemia herself. The basilica not only serves as a religious center but also as a symbol of Rovinj's resilience and cultural identity. Beyond the basilica, Rovinj boasts numerous other historical sites and museums that tell the story of its diverse past. The Rovinj Heritage Museum, located in a historic building, showcases artifacts, artworks, and exhibits related to the city's history, archaeology, and maritime tradition. The city's Maritime Museum highlights Rovinj's long-standing relationship with the sea, its sailors, shipbuilders, and fishermen who contributed to the city's prosperity. Moving on to the cultural life of Rovinj, the city is renowned for its vibrant art scene. It has long attracted artists, writers, and musicians inspired by its scenic beauty and tranquil atmosphere. The town is home to numerous galleries, art studios, and festivals. One of the most notable events is the Rovinj Photo Days, an international photography festival that draws artists from around the world. Additionally, the city hosts the Rovinj Summer Music Festival, which features classical, jazz, and contemporary performances in attractive outdoor venues. Rovinj's cultural identity is also reflected in its local cuisine. The gastronomic scene offers a delightful blend of Mediterranean, Italian, and Istrian flavors. Seafood is, of course, a staple. Fresh fish, calamari, mussels, and oysters are served daily in local taverns and restaurants. Truffles, which are abundant in the Istrian region, are used in various dishes, adding a distinctive flavor. Olive oils, wines, and cheeses from the surrounding countryside complement the culinary experience. Visitors can enjoy traditional dishes such as buzara, a seafood stew, fuzi, pasta with truffle sauce, and local prosciutto. Natural beauty plays a crucial role in Rovinj's appeal. The city is surrounded by pristine beaches, coves, and crystal-clear waters, making it a perfect destination for swimming, sailing, and water sports. The nearby islands, such as St. Andrew's Island and St. Catherine's Island, are popular excursions, offering secluded beaches and excellent spots for picnics and exploration. The Rovinj Riviera is characterized by rugged cliffs, lush greenery, and olive groves that stretch along the coastline. For outdoor enthusiasts, Rovinj offers numerous opportunities for hiking and biking. The Punta Carrenti Forest Park, also known as Golden Cape, is a protected natural area just outside the town. It features well-marked trails winding through dense pine forests, rocky beaches, and scenic viewpoints overlooking the sea. This park is a favorite among locals and tourists alike, providing a peaceful retreat into nature. Another highlight is the Balbi Arch, a historic gate that once served as the main entrance to the old town. Walking through this arch, visitors are transported into the city's historic past. Nearby, the Church of St. Thomas offers another vantage point with spectacular views of Rovinj and the surrounding islands. In recent years, Rovinj has also become a hub for sustainable tourism and eco-friendly initiatives. The city promotes preserving its natural and cultural heritage while welcoming visitors. Efforts include maintaining the cleanliness of beaches and streets, supporting local artisans and farmers, and encouraging eco-friendly transportation options. Modern-day Rovinj is a lively city that balances tradition and innovation. Its vibrant harbor is filled with colorful boats, cafes, and shops selling local crafts, souvenirs, and artisanal products. The city's bustling markets are perfect for experiencing local life and purchasing unique handmade items. Meanwhile, the hospitality industry offers a wide range of accommodations, from boutique hotels to cozy guest houses, ensuring visitors find a comfortable place to stay. In conclusion, Rovinj is more than just a beautiful seaside town. It is a living museum of history, an artistic crossroads, and a natural paradise. Its unique blend of cultural influences, stunning architecture, lively art scene, delectable cuisine, and pristine landscapes make it a truly special destination. Whether you are a history enthusiast, a nature lover, a foodie, or simply seeking tranquility by the sea, Rovinj offers something for everyone.